question number 3. Find the root of the following equation. So we are having two parts in the question. Going to start with the first one. The first one we are having x minus 1 by x is equal to the 3 here. Now first of all, we are going to multiply by x both sides for removing this one. So x multiplied by x, and here we'll have minus 1 multiplied by x divided by x, and here we'll have 3 multiplied by x. So this one will be the x square, x is cancelled from x, this one we're having minus 1, and this one we're having is the 3x. Now we have to transpose this 3x from this right hand side to the left hand side. So this is, we are having minus 3x is equal to the 0. Now I'm going to write this one in a proper form. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to the 0. Now we know that quadratic equation will have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So value of a we are having is the 1, b we are having is the minus 3, and c we are having is equal to the minus 1. So first of all, we are going to find b square minus 4ac. So this one we are having minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. So this is the 3 3s are 9 minus and minus plus 4 ones are 4 we are having. Now 9 plus 4 we are having as equal to the 13, and this one we are having greater than 0. Now we are going to write the value of the x we are having. So we are going to write this one as, here is the value of x, we will have minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a we are having. So first of all we are going to write the first one. So b we are having is the minus 3 plus b square minus 4ac we are having 13. So this is the root 13 divided by 2 multiplied by a we are having is the 1. Now comes to the next one. This one we are having x is equal to the minus b square root b square minus 4ac, and this one we are having is the 13. So this is the root 13 divided by 2 multiplied by a. Now x is equal to the minus and minus plus 3 plus root 13 divided by 2. And the second one we are having x is equal to the minus plus 3 minus root 13 by 2 we are having. So I'm going to write the statement here. Hence the roots are 3 plus minus root 13 by 2 we are having. So this one we are having is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. This one we are having here 1 by x plus 4 and minus x minus 7 is equal to the 11 by 30. First of all, for subtracting we have to equal the denominators. For that one I am going to cross multiply them. So this one we are having x minus 7 minus x plus 4, and denominator we are having is the x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 7. This one we are having as equal to the 11 by 30. Now this is the x minus 7 minus x minus 4, and here we will have x multiplied by x minus 7 and plus 4 multiplied by x minus 7 is equal to the 11 by 30. Now this one plus minus cancelled. This one we are having minus 11 by x square minus 7x plus 4x minus n. This is plus minus minus 28. This one will have 11 by 30. Now we have to cross multiply. So this one we have minus 11 multiplied by 30, and this is the x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 multiplied by 11 we are having. I can take this 11, I am going to transpose this one here. So this one will have minus 11 multiplied by 30 divided by 11. So 11 cancelled from 11. Now here we will have x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. So this one we are having here is the minus 30 is equal to the x square minus plus minus minus will have minus 3x minus 28, and now we are going to transpose this one 30 from right hand side to the left hand side. So this one will be x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to the 0. So this is the x square minus 3x plus minus minus will have plus 2 as equal to the 0 here. Now this one we are having is in the form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a we are having 1, value of b we are having 3, and value of c we are having is the 2. Now we have to find, therefore b square minus 4ac. So minus, this one we are having b is the minus 3b square minus 4a and c. 3 3s are 9 and 4 2s are 8. We'll have b square minus 4ac is equal to the 1, which is greater than 0 we are having. So we're going to find the x. So the x we have minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the first value we are having is the minus, b we are having here is the minus 3 plus b square minus 4ac we are having 1 divided by 2 multiplied by the value of a we are having is the 1 here. So this one we are having x 3 plus root 1 divided by 2 we are having. Now comes to the next one. The next one we are having is the x is equal to the minus b square minus 4ac we are having 1 divided by 2 multiplied by a we are having is the 1. So this one we are having minus and minus plus 3 minus root 1 by 2 we are having. So now these are the two roots we are having. We are going to solve them further. First one we are having x is equal to the 3 plus root 1 is equal to the 2. Now 1 multiplied by 1 we have 1. So this is the 3 plus 1 by 2. So we will have 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this one we are having is the 2. Now this one is the second one. This one will have x is equal to the 3 minus 1 by 2. So this one will have 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So this one we are having 1. So we are having the roots. We are going to write here. Hence the roots are 2 and 1. The two roots we are having is the 2 and 1. So this one we are having is the part 2. With this one we have completed the question number 3. In the next video we are going to start with the question number